Little Raindrop. When I was a raindrop, I lived up in the clouds. One day, thunder rumbled by, and boom, very loud. Come now, little raindrops, get ready to let go. You got important work to do down in the world below. A flash of zigzag lightning streaked across the sky. Oh! Cried all the raindrops. Children of cloud, go by. They jump into the air, and I jump with them too. Have fun, said Cloud. I wish that I could come along with you. Down and down we fell, diddling, shouting. Oh, what fun to be a raindrop flying free. From high up in the sky, saw the earth below. Some beams shone through us, made a very big rainbow. After that, quite suddenly, I landed with a splat and dribbled down the tail of a soggy farmyard cat. I stepped into the soil, trickling down and down, past pink, fragrant worms far below the ground. I saw a friendly mole who was eaten by some shoots. Sharp! Before I knew it, I'd been sucked into their roots. I traveled slowly up the stem. It was quite a climb. Hello, smell the flower bud. You are here just in time. This way, the flower told me, and then it's opened wide. What a nice surprise! See my raindrop friends inside. We have so much fun sharing stories of our day. As the warm sun slowly set and the light faded away, we tried to count the stars instead of counting sheep, but the petals were so comfy that we all fell fast asleep. When the morning came, the sun shone hot and bright. We all felt quite peculiar, sort of being like. Slowly, we drifted upwards. There was no way to resist. For I and all my raindrop friends had turned into a mist. What's happening? I asked, floating higher with the clouds. The others laughed and said, "We are going back into our cloud." Welcome back, said Cloud. I hope you all had fun. It's time for you to rest. Now there's lots of sun, but soon the wind will blow again and turn the weather vain, and you will have more adventures next time it starts to